What is going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be explaining my current yield farming strategy in the middle of this bear market. I am hesitant to buy coins right now. I'm pretty much dollar cost averaging into blue chip projects like Chainlink, Aave, Ethereum, just the stuff that I know is going to rebound eventually. So let me show you my current strategy, which is that I'm using, first of all, this is all on Polygon network, so don't worry about the gas fees or anything like that. But basically what I'm doing is I'm using Aave to deposit some of my crypto. So you could deposit Ethereum, wrapped Bitcoin, Aave, some stable coins, etc. And then you're also able to borrow against that once you've deposited some assets. I believe it's up to 50%. So if you've deposited $1,000 worth of Ethereum, you'll be able to borrow $500 worth of Matic, DAI, USDC, etc. So what I'm doing is I'm not selling my current holdings, and I'm still able to get stable coins so that I can farm with the stable coins. And the APY that I get from the farming definitely outpaces the interest that I have to pay. So as you can see on DAI, I'd have to pay 3.8%. And on this farm with stable coins, DAI to USDT, it is paying 45%. So as long as the farm that you're on outpaces the interest you have to pay, it makes sense. It makes mathematical sense. So let me show you guys what I'm doing exactly. So I'm borrowing against it from Aave. I'm getting some stable coins from Aave, and then I'm taking it over to Define Protocol, which is a new project kind of thing. And they have a yield farming program going on right now. The rewards actually end in about 5 days. It's different for each one, but the stablecoin one that I'm on ends in 5 days. As you can see, you can deposit US Terra stablecoin along with the USD Tether stablecoin, and it'll pay you at 51.92% in the Define token. Now, when the farming ends, right, in the next 5 days, you'll get 25% of the tokens you mined or you earned, you farmed. 25% of that will be upfront. Another 25% will get paid out 2 months later, another 25%, another 2 months later. So it's vested 25% over every 2 months. Unless you decide to burn half of your tokens, you can claim all of them instantly. But that's what I'm doing, is I'm using stable coins to farm in the middle of this bear market. And the reason I'm doing that is because that way I don't suffer from impermanent loss as much as I would if I were doing something more volatile, like staking Luna and DFIN together, right? So with stable coins, the most that they fluctuate really is like a penny up or a penny down, you know? So it's definitely not the same level of impermanent loss as you would suffer from something like more volatile, for example, like route to Ethereum. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm doing this on the DFIN network, and I'm also doing this on the Kyber DMM, which is the same idea. You go over here to yield, and you'll see that they have a couple stablecoin farms. They have one for USDC to USD Tether, and they have one for USDC to DAI as well. And this is going to pay you out in the KNC token, and I believe there is a vesting schedule for this as well for the rewards. So you don't get them all up front. There is a vesting schedule. So that's pretty much my strategy for right now. Other than that, I am playing it safe. I'm just dollar cost averaging, little by little into some of the blue chip projects that I enjoy, and trying to take more of a long-term perspective on it. There is one new project that I haven't been able to do a video yet about, but it's insane. It's an insane project, and I'm still researching it. But if you guys want to go ahead and do some research into it, I'll give you guys the ticker symbol here. It's called Olympus DAO, and it's really hard to explain in like 5 minutes. But basically, you can see the price action here. It's just been going up since this whole bear market. It's been the only thing that goes up. And the reason it's going up so much is because of the crazy APY that they offer, which is 15,000%. This project is legit. It's not a coin farm. It's not a yield farm. It's been audited by PeckShield, I believe, which is one of the more reputable audit companies in crypto. There's a lot that's going on with this project. It's very well thought out. The Discord is legit. It's very active. They have a Twitter community. So it's really worth doing your research into this. Like I said, I'm gonna make a video on this later on. I'm just trying to digest everything and make it easier for you guys to understand. But if you want to go ahead and dig into this yourself, and you can see the price action just keeps pumping. This thing is not stopping. So definitely worth looking into. Again, just want to give you guys a heads up on my current yield farming strategy in the middle of all this. And if you like this type of content, give it a thumbs up. We also have a new Discord that we started, and I'll leave a link for that below as well. Hopefully this gave you some good insight on yield farming that you can do with stable coins. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace.